What's going on, everyone? We're going to go over a trade recap today on the trade I took that led me to getting my $4,000 payout right here. So let's hop on the charts and go into back testing mode or replay mode. Start off the day by marking out the previous day highs because yesterday was a bullish day. So what I like doing is marking out my previous day swing highs and swing lows to find premium and discount. And obviously we are in a heavy premium zone. So we are very close to liquidity already, which liquidity will get swept. This green line is our liquidity. So right now we have very high causes of price turning down, especially if this liquidity is taken on the 4-hour, which technically it already has been since these are highs right here. Swing highs have been taken out, but here's a very strong area where liquidity will get swept and really take a retracement. So then we mark out other confluences like our fair value gaps. Actually, I'm not going to mark out all 4 of them because there's 1, 2, 3. This is the highest probability to be fully retraced to. It's a good area to target. Now, price will come to these, so you could take profits at one of those fair value gaps, but price will have to retrace to this area because this needs to be filled. There's pending orders right here, and there will be pending orders for a while. So once we have all that marked out, we go down to the 1 hour, 8 a.m. Eastern time, where the news event happened. I usually get on the charts at 9 a.m. Eastern. It would be 8 o'clock where I am because I'm Central Time. That's when we see, okay, we have a bunch of confluences aligned still. We could target these if we wanted to. Okay, so we go on to 30-minute and we see, okay, there's a fair value gap right there. Now that you know that we are in a premium area, you could delete the equilibrium. So we have our 30-minute fair value gap, 2 15-minute fair value gaps. And these are telling you, is price going to continue going higher or actually start going lower? Because these are the only thing that's holding price up right now. And you could go down to the 5-minute and really wait for price to get to this area, which I should have marked out. Sorry. And this is why looking at price is so important, because you could see that this fair value gap has already been filled on the 5-minute. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. Look at this. There has been a wick straight through this fair value gap. This fair value gap, there's no more orders. There's no more pending orders. There are pending orders right here because this is the final fair value gap of the swing high. Price sweeps liquidity. There's confluence 1. Write that down. Disrespects fair value gap 1. So that's a positive sign. That's another confluence. So it's an inverse fair value gap right there with a fair value gap. This is why daily bias is important. So just continue waiting. And then price finally disrespects that area. So now that we have dropped down to the 1 minute, we're looking for our entrance. So price had an order block. As you can see right here, price swept this liquidity, this swing high on the 1 minute. We had a displacement candle towards the downside. We had our order block right here. We had an inverse fair value gap right here. And we got in on a retracement, and that was my entrance. I took a super low risk, 3 contracts on MNQ actually. I was going to target this liquidity, but I honestly just went to a 1 to 2 and called it a day. So my voice cracked like crazy. It was only $400, but it got me my payout on my 5th day finally. It's important to learn that daily bias is important. You do need to rely on it, and you can't be switching it up all the time. You guys have to really pay attention to your charts. The little things, the little details are the most important things about trading. So mark out all your confluences. Really take a minute and understand where price is going to go and ask, is this an appropriate area to take a trade in? Yeah, it was a solid day. It was $400. It was a little riskier day because of how choppy it was, but that's okay. Stuff like that happens all the time. This was a pretty quick video because I didn't feel like editing. I have a free Discord where I post my trades into a community tab where you guys can post your own trades and talk back and forth with each other. Then if you need extra help, I have a premium Discord where I'm giving out my daily bias, why I'm seeing the daily bias, like the confluences, and same thing with before my entry model, my 15-minute, my 1 hour retracement areas, see where I'm targeting. And then I want you to understand your own entry model. So that's why it's not a signals group, because signal groups actually do more damage than good because they're just relying too much on their mentor or whatever to actually apply it to the charts. So I want you guys to really learn how to do that yourself. We'll go over your trades every Saturday on a call so we can get really locked down on what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. I love you guys. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe.